Hello, everybody. This is Ankur Agarwal here. When we are talking of success and business growth, how does success come? Success comes only once an individual takes in action towards achieving a desired result. That is the first and the most important aspect. And this also becomes the biggest gap whenever we are talking of achieving the desired results. And the biggest gap, the thing which deters people to take action, are the fears. Now, fear is something which is a very significant word whenever we come to all the individuals which are involved, irrespective of the industry, age group, whatever it is. Fear is one of the very big important elements. What exactly is fear? Now, fear has got different dimensions, different definitions altogether. But in simple terms, fear is like future expectation of an absurd result. That's it. Nothing more than that. And individuals are not able to take actions. One is not able to progress only because of this element of fear which is there. And what happens when fear is there? Fear is like the moment what fear comes, it is supported by something which is known as what if. What if I don't get the desired results? What if this happens or what if that happens? Because of this what if factor, one is not able to progress at all. One is not able to take necessary actions. Now, fear can be of multiple dimensions which are there. There are hundreds of different types of fears. But I broadly classify the fears into three broader categories. First one is fear of failure or not achieving something. People don't take actions only because of the fact that what if I fail in this or what if I don't achieve the desired results? That is the first part of this. Second is fear of losing something. People don't take actions because they are fearful that they may lose something or they may not be able to get something. Now, it can be of losing of job or losing of some article, losing of money, or whatever the variation can be. And third is fear of missing out. What if I don't take action on this thing? Will I miss on to the opportunities? Will I miss on to something? These are the three broader classifications of fear where all the subdivisions of fear gets classified into it. And anybody and everybody, it's driven by these fears. Now, what happens when fears are there? The once fears are there, there's an element of what if, and eventually this puts people into their doubting their own capabilities. Individual starts doubting themselves that whether will be able to deliver the results or not. Even best of the individuals having the knowledge and the requisite skill sets, they start doubting themselves only because of this element of what if. So here I would like to classify fear with three different angles. Whenever it comes to fear, first one is fear in terms of adversity. Now, whenever there is an adverse situation which is arisen because of any reason, it is primarily because of some external factor which has happened, fears play a very important role provided one takes a necessary action. Let's take the case, the economy is not doing well and the markets are down, business has slowed down. This is an adverse situation. At this point of time, if an individual is fearful about the given situation, but at the same point of time, one is able to take the necessary actions to progress and come out of it or take corrective action, being fearful helps in that case. So adversity, any adverse situation, being fearful can help only once an individual starts taking action. It has to be action oriented. It has to be supported by a positive mental attitude and with the right mindset. But similarly, if in an adverse situation, one doesn't take any action and just be fearful, definitely it's going to turn out to be a disappointment. Second part when it comes to fear with respect to ignorance. A section of people are fearful about a given situation, but they ignore it. And this is one of the biggest disasters and the blunders which one can do it. And it is the biggest truth, the biggest cost which every single individual pays for anything. Either it is related to their work, business, relationships, anything. That is the cost of ignorance. That is the biggest cost which an individual pays. So whenever it comes to fear, one is fearful and one is ignoring a particular situation. That is something which is a big no-no and one must never get into that space. The moment one ignores a particular thing, a situation, environment which requires to be addressed, it can lead to disappointments. And the third one, which is the most important, the critical one, is being fearful when it comes to awareness. Awareness is one of the most important and essential elements for every single individual, irrespective of the industry you are into or irrespective of yeah, the age group which you belong to, having the right awareness enables one to bridge the gap when it comes to being fearful. Having a right awareness puts one into a thinking mode to take the right set of actions, feel good about a particular situation, have a positive mental attitude, and which drives them towards taking action by taking the initiatives. And it's very important for one to overcome the fears. One cannot overcome fears till the time one does not have a right awareness. So, in a nutshell, being fearful, does it help? Being fearful helps only to the extent where it gives you a right awareness and one starts taking an action towards something. If one doesn't take an action and is fearful, it is the biggest disaster which can happen. So, if you want to ensure that you want to accelerate your success, you want to achieve the desired results, whatever you are aspiring for, stop being fearful. Stop doubting yourself on your own capabilities. Even if the element of fear comes, ask yourself this question: how this entire situation can help you to take the necessary actions so that you can achieve your desired results. So whenever a fearful situation is there, it gives an opportunity for a new awareness. It is a type of an asset which is there in, if we talk in terms of the balance sheet, it is a type of an asset which everybody has got. Because the moment the element of fear is there, it puts one into a thinking mode. Till the time one is not fearful, people are just in a comfort zone and they don't take any other actions. So if one has to move forward, one has to progress, one has to come out of the comfort zone, and fear acts one of the triggering points at that point of time, provided an individual takes an action. So your success is ensured provided, one, you have positive mental attitude. Two, you are having the right awareness, which may have arisen because of the fear element or because of some adverse situation. And third one is you take the necessary action. Start doing this thing and you will ensure that you are able to put your success on a fast track growth. So if you like this video, please put a like or subscribe to this channel. It will help the channel. Thank you so much. This is Ankur Agarwal here. Thank you so much.